There's a perfect analogy of what I'm talking about when I pitch the software to the ISO or agents for payment processing. Imagine you being a real estate broker, right? And you're out there working with the builders who build properties, and then you find buyers or sellers for those properties. In your case, buyers, right? You find buyers. And so you found the buyer, and that's it. Through doing so, you're going to develop a relationship with buyers. They're going to start telling you, I want a house like this, or I want a house like that. It has these features and these features. And you can find the builders to build it. So instead of being a broker, maybe you should be an investor. Invest money, build an asset, sell it, and monetize it. So in the software world, a very same thing is happening, right? So we are the software builders. You work with software builders on a commission basis. You come to us and we tell you, sell our stuff, and we'll give you a commission. And then all of us start fucking with you, right? Like over a period of time, if you stop selling, commission dries up. If you don't hit your marks, the commission dries up. If this, that, or the other, commission dries up. It's always one way, commission dries up. And so the way that you can solve this is build your own stuff. But you're not a builder, you say. Okay, well, there are builders for hire, like us. And we've designed products for that purpose, to build and sell to you, right? So it's very convenient. It's a lot like real estate. We build a product to a certain extent to your spec, in certain cases 100% to your spec, and then it's your product. And we just continue to be the builders that you can come to and say, build us another layer, build us another feature, build us another function, build us another product, and then you find yourself in a situation where you're in more control. You continue to sell other hardware that plays well with your software. You continue to sell other payment processors, all of them, that work with your software. But now you have a software component that you own, and when your merchants tell you what they want on that software, you can say yes or no, and it's your decision. So you'll be much happier with it because it's your decision. It's not our decision. Because when we're talking about our product, that's our decision. We decide, and we inform you of that decision. But now, because it's your product, you can decide and inform your merchants of that decision. Give them the feature or not give them the feature, because it will help you monetize or not. But you see how the dynamic shifts, because now you own a piece of asset that you monetize, that you decide it's the fate of that product, the future development, and you're still out there selling hardware and payment processing. And let me tell you this, if your product is successful with your merchant community, you just have yourself a little bit more leverage when you're negotiating your deals with the hardware and the payment processors, because now you're not just a sales guy who can be replaced with another sales guy. You're also the owner of a piece of software that merchants are attached to.